Here we are, boys. We are here unboxing everything I copped from Supreme x Frank Frazetta. It's going to be an awesome video. We got 4 bags to look through. Over $1,000 of Supreme cops. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos from me in the future, be sure to hit the like, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you get up to date every single time I post and go live. Let's jump into it. Trying out the new POV angle, and we got a first item right here. I don't know what exactly it is, but all of this stuff is definitely Supreme Frank Frazetta. So I'm hoping we get maybe some cool stickers. I don't know anything about custom stickers from this drop. Okay, nothing in that bag. Maybe it's on the inside. So right here, red box logo. And first up, we have the, are these the Death Dealer shorts? Yes, they are. Here are the Supreme Death Dealer shorts. Big logos. Size small. Got some snacks for later. And look at these things. Pretty awesome graphic. We got the embroidery on the badge here. The Supreme screen print, the awesome Frazetta characters. I mean, that's high quality right there on the print. Very interesting material on the shorts. I don't know if it says. Let's see. 100% polyester. That is kind of unfortunate. I don't typically love synthetic materials. I would have liked if these were like a cotton, but I suppose they are going for more of like an athletic look, and I will be putting these on. So stay tuned to the end of the video. We will do a fit check of full Frazetta. I might be looking a little bit like Franelations in the Givenchy, but that's okay. What do y'all think about the first item? Next bag. What is it gonna be? Drop your theories in the comments, or just wait for me to figure out where this bag starts. There it is at the top. And yeah, I wanted to change up the angle a little bit, so let me know if you guys dig this more than the tripod angle. I feel like getting up close and personal is what people really want in the first place. Another box logo. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll send someone, I'll send someone all red box logo stickers from this video. If it hits 100 likes, that would be sick. We have the jersey. Very nice to follow suit with the shorts. This is a size large. Currently have one of these for sale, so if you guys want a Supreme Frank Frazetta soccer jersey, comment down below. I'd be happy to do a fair offer. And look at that. Interesting folding job with the super horizontal packaging, but I dig it. Let's take a look. Very gently. Now, some of this stuff is going to be resold. I do plan on keeping at least 2 of the items. I'm most likely gonna sell both of the jerseys. I do love this, and in person, the large looks like it would fit me, slightly oversized, or maybe even just oversized straight up. But the reason why I would sell this over, let's say, the shorts is I feel like loud shorts, and well, 1, I don't have too many of them, and 2, this is just a crazy fit, but it's dope. And I do have some other stuff that I'm going to keep from this. But yeah, one of my favorite drops. I learned a lot about Frank Frazetta and the Death Dealer character, who's actually the official logo or mascot of the Army 3rd Division. Some corps in the Army has this dude as their logo. And I think that's super sick to see the impact that Frank Frazetta had, not only on fantasy, art, and just this style of character, with these horror themes and fantastical elements, but just the effect that it had on pop culture and really shaping that genre during the 1960s and when he was alive. Very sick. Don't know why they chose the number 9. Maybe there's some link to Frazetta himself, or maybe they just like the number 9. I, for one, think it's one of the best numbers. But I am also biased because I was born in the 9th month of September. So take that for what it is. I think we might have a duplicate here, but we're still going to open it and see what it is. If it is a dupe, then we will keep it in the package, and if not, then I guess we won't. Ah, not quite a dupe. Here's the woman in the Scythe Frazetta soccer jersey. I'm pretty sure this one is definitely going to go to stock X, but we should still definitely get it out, right? Just so we can see, even if it is going to be a definite resale. I know you guys want to see that stuff, and I have made videos in the past where I don't unbox anything, and I keep it all in the packaging, and you guys put up with it. So for that, we'll get this puppy out, even though I won't be able to fold this up anything near what they did from the factory. Let's get the grand reveal. Boom, look at that. Holy shit. This one might be even colder. I mean, the black looks really good on that number, and the Scythe placement right below the neckline, super sick. You got the snake in her left hand coiling around. Who would win in a fight? Woman with a scythe or a death dealer? Who you got? And love that. It's like you're getting impaled when you're wearing this thing. I don't know, man. Death dealer was kind of my favorite, but this one really looks sick. And just the colors on it. Like if you zoom out, it's just amazing. Just looking at it from a distance even. You got the hands right there or something. Really cool. Awesome design. Hopefully the angle is doing it justice. There we go with the woman with the scythe. Next up, the grand poobah of all of it. The big daddy, the big fella. I think I know what's in here, and I'm hoping it's actually 2 items, but I'm kind of fearing it might just be 1, which in that case, I have more items on the way. But shout out once again to Re-Up23 for yes, here it is, the amazing, the great Frazetta zip sweatshirt. So it looks like the order that I manualed isn't here. Unless they gave me multiple carts in 4 different packages, which I don't think they do, these are all of Re-Up's items. So this guy, man, I unfortunately am gonna have to wait to get my own personal version, and this is gonna be going out to StockX, but we're still gonna unbox it. We're still gonna take it out of the bag. Man, but this zip up is easily my favorite item from the entire collection. I mean, the work jacket was sick, but this one had the unique design of still having a flat color, this one being black, and then having art intermittently put on it in a really cool pattern. And I just love the faded look to it. It looks vintage. It looks of the times. And I think that is really the dope thing about this piece and what really gets me going. So here's with the right sleeve, the snake, sunset. You get the death dealer on the horse. He's ready for battle. It kind of goes over both sides. Really cool. Obviously the front, which you looked at with the zip. Love the fact that we have the fabric covering the metal teeth. I don't like when jackets don't include that fabric and you just always see the metal. I think it looks bad. That is a personal preference. On the interior, it's a pretty soft micro fleece. If that's a name for a fabric, size large, made in China. It's unfortunate. Wish this was made in Canada still. I know some stuff still is, but it'd be nice if we had more North American made stuff. The back is crazy. Death dealer again. He's just been dealing it all day. He can't get enough of that death dealing, and he's got a crocodile problem about to happen. And the colors on this are really cool. Like, it looks like you could almost perceive it as a bad screen print, but that's just clearly what they were going for with this design. Heck, the faded look to it. I wonder if they have like a process where they make it look aged. I don't know as much about garment production and screen printing, but I do know you can get a variety of different washes and looks based on what you're going for. Maybe there's something where right when they print it, it looks HD, and then they do something to maybe use light or to fade it or maybe straight off the press, it has this look to it already. Maybe one of you will know, but this right here, actually this pose exactly is that Army Corps logo or mascot I was talking about. This specific pose with the Death Dealer along with the axe on the horse facing 90 degrees to the camera with the shield that has the bird on it, probably an eagle. I mean, that's just badass. It's kind of a cringe word to say like, oh, that's so badass, but this literally is badass. So it's not cringe. It's actually just fucking metal. Like, this is so sick. The Frazetta signature too, I think looks good. It pays homage to the guy whose art this stuff was. So W to the Frazetta estate for making this collaboration happen. Here's all my items, and now let's put on a few. All right, so not a super realistic fit if you look at how crazy this is. TBH jersey is a little bit big on me. I can say, I think with something like this, a medium would have looked a lot better. My frame is about 5'11", currently like 155 pounds, and slender frame. I think that just the amount of bagginess this thing has, I think a medium would have looked better. And you definitely would want to rock this with dark clothes and probably one item, not both, on something like this. But if you wanted to go full crazy Frazetta mode, this is how you would do it. Comfort, I'm gonna be honest, the polyester is not very comfortable. Like, it's a sick piece that I would make the sacrifice for that. But if I had to pick one, I think the shorts are definitely the move over the jersey, because I could see this thing getting super hot, especially in the summer, which is disappointing. Like, I didn't know that this was a polyester jersey. It probably said that on the website, and I just totally skipped that because look at it. And maybe that's not an issue to some people, but for me, it's definitely not something that I would want to really wear all the time. And that is kind of unfortunate. Shorts, though, I do have like 3 shorts coming. Like, I thought I got the woman with the scythe shorts too, but I only have the Death Dealer ones. And I don't believe I missed anything. So I don't know where the fuck my items are. We're waiting for Supreme to ship shit out. Feels like they've been having some factory issues, like getting stuff out of their distribution center, which is unfortunate, but it happens. But what do you guys think? Regardless of the material, how does the item actually look, in your opinion? I think with the jersey, again, a medium would have been better for someone with my dimensions. But the shorts are almost too big themselves, and they are the smallest size. So I always tell people, Supreme shorts are fucking big. If you're going to get a large, I hope you're like 6'2", like 225, because this is what a small looks like on someone who's 5'11", 155. So yeah. Now, even though it's 76 degrees out, the sweatshirt feels so good. I can just feel the comfort of the cotton, like literally through the polyester of the jersey. Like, I really would love to throw on a t-shirt right now and just feel this even more. But this is fucking awesome and fits me pretty much perfectly, the exact kind of fit that I'd want. You know that a jersey is oversized when a size large Supreme sweatshirt still doesn't cover the bottom of the hem right there. So if that gives you any information about sizing, I hope that's helpful, I guess. But here is the fit. I hope there wasn't too much noise in the microphone. This thing is honestly trash, and I need to get a better one. But one thing at a time. Hopefully, this has been sufficient to help you guys out in determining what the Frank Frazetta stuff looks like up close and personal and on body. I got to go ship this thing out to StockX, which I'm super sad about. I do have a second one on the way, allegedly, along with a pair of shorts that I might keep. I don't know, the polyester, dude, I'm kind of stuck on it. Like, do I really want to even wear a pair of polyester Supreme shorts? Like, they are super sick, but I would be happy with just this zip up. I think that's enough for me to be like, yeah, that's the Frazetta item that I would go for if I was tracking down things. I know the tracksuit, people ended up liking it way more than I thought. It was some of the highest resale items on StockX, but yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I know it's kind of all over the place. When I make these videos in the afternoon, after spending all day on my computer post live stream, I feel like I'm just saying nonsense, but it's probably not too bad. And anyway, if you guys enjoyed, again, leave a like. 100 likes, someone gets 4 Boxico stickers. I don't fucking know what I'm doing here, man. I gotta go play some Call of Duty and unlock Dark Matter. Peace.